Hello, Jim Pasmore here, and I'll be your speaker this weekend on Sunday with a talk entitled Discover the Sage Within. This is going to be about the third power in our 12-power series, wisdom. And we'll use a clip from The Empire Strikes Back to show how Yoda, the master sage, helps Luke on his hero's journey to use the Force. Each of us has this force, this sage within, and we all have the ability to use it for good in our lives and to uplift ourselves and to change the world for the better. And if we combine the two powers, wisdom and love becomes a counterbalance for wisdom, so that it's not just academic and cold, but rather passionate and uplifting. So let's talk together this weekend and see how we can change the world for the better and become a force for so much good. See you then.